everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to get premium unlimited ZIVPN UDP servers completely free, so you can enjoy a fast and stable internet connection. This method works on both mobile and PC, and I'll walk you through every single step, from creating the server all the way to connecting on the ZIVPN app. So let's get right into it. The first thing we need to do is create our ZIVPN UDP server. To do that, open any browser on your mobile phone or computer. In the search bar, type OpenVPN SSH and press enter. You will see several search results appear on your screen. From those results, tap or click on the official OpenVPN SSH website to open its homepage. Once you are on the OpenVPN SSH website, you will notice there are servers listed for many different protocols. We are specifically looking for the ZIVPN UDP option, so stay focused. On the home page, look for the menu and tap on the option labeled User. This will expand a submenu showing various options such as SSH, V2Ray, ShadowSox, NZVPN, and others. From that submenu, tap on NZVPN to continue. On the NZVPN page, you will see different VPN server types listed. Look for ZIVPN UDP and tap on it to begin the server creation process. On the next page, you will see a list of servers from different locations around the world. Choose any location you prefer. Then tap the Create User button next to it. This will take you to the account form page. In the account form, enter your desired username and password in the provided fields. Once you have filled in your details, tap the Create Server button. Wait just a few seconds while the server is being generated. When it is ready, you will see your complete server details displayed on the screen, including the IP address, username, password, and port number. You can either copy each detail individually or tap the Copy All button to save everything at once. Your server is now ready to use. Now let us move on to setting up the ZIVPN app on your Android device. Open the Google Play Store and search for ZIVPN. Download and install the app from the search results. The installation will take just a couple of minutes, depending on your connection speed. Once installed, launch the ZIVPN app and you will land on the home screen. On the home screen, look for the Connection Type section and check the box labeled UDP Server to enable UDP settings. This is very important as it allows the app to use the UDP server we just created. Next, open the side menu inside the app and tap on UDP Tunneling. In the UDP Tunneling settings, enter the server details you copied earlier from OpenVPN SSH into their corresponding fields exactly as shown in the video. Once everything is filled in correctly, go back to the home screen and tap the Start button to initiate the VPN connection. After tapping Start, keep an eye on the connection logs at the bottom of the screen. A successful connection will be confirmed there. To verify that your IP address has changed, go back to the OpenVPN SSH website, refresh the page, and scroll down. You should see your new IP address displayed, confirming that the VPN is working perfectly. And that is it. You now have a premium ZIVPN UDP server running completely free. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this one. Drop any questions you have in the comments below, and I will be happy to help. See you in the next video.